AI and robotics are evolving at a pace that's getting harder to wrap our heads around. Every week, we're seeing breakthroughs that push the limits of what we thought was possible. And this week is no exception. From humanoid robots that are more lifelike than ever to AI-powered machines pulling off skills we never imagined, the future isn't just coming. It's already here. The past few days have been packed with jaw-dropping updates from around the world, and some of these developments will completely change the game. Welcome back, guys. Alfie here with all the latest AI robot developments of the week. And trust me, this is only the beginning. AI Nexus will be here every step of the way to bring you the latest developments. Let's go. Pepsi has partnered with robotics company Agibot to unveil the FizzBot, a Pepsi-branded humanoid robot designed for promotional use. The FizzBot made its debut alongside global icon David Beckham at a recent launch event, marking a significant step in Pepsi's innovative marketing strategies. The FizzBot, powered by Agibot's advanced AI technology, is capable of interacting with audiences, performing choreographed movements, and engaging in real-time conversations. Its design and functionality aim to create memorable brand experiences, aligning with Pepsi's commitment to blending technology and entertainment. This collaboration is part of Pepsi's broader Thirsty for More campaign, which encourages consumers to pursue their passions and embrace new experiences. By integrating cutting-edge robotics into its promotional activities, Pepsi seeks to captivate audiences and reinforce its position as a forward-thinking brand. The introduction of the FizzBot signifies a fusion of technology and marketing, offering a glimpse into the future of brand engagement. As Pepsi continues to explore innovative avenues, the FizzBot stands as a testament to the company's dedication to pushing boundaries and redefining consumer interactions. Amazon is stepping into the future of delivery with plans to test humanoid robots capable of walking on two legs. The company has created an indoor obstacle course to evaluate the capabilities of bipedal robots from various manufacturers, including the rising robotics company Unitree. These tests are designed to simulate real-world challenges, ensuring the robots can navigate stairs, curbs, and doorways, obstacles common in residential and urban environments. The vision is ambitious. Amazon wants these humanoid robots to eventually ride along in its electric Rivian delivery vans, then hop out and autonomously deliver packages straight to customers' doorsteps. This could significantly reduce last-mile delivery costs and increase efficiency, especially in areas where traditional wheeled robots or drones face limitations. By integrating humanoid robotics into its logistics chain, Amazon is betting on a future where autonomous machines take on more physically complex delivery tasks. If successful, this approach could transform how goods are delivered, setting a new standard for automation in e-commerce logistics. Agility Robotics has achieved a significant milestone in human-robot interaction with its humanoid robot, Digit. In a recent demonstration, Digit successfully executed a complex multi-step task based solely on a natural language command. Bring me the ingredients to make pasta. This task required Digit to interpret the command, identify relevant items such as pasta, sauce, and utensils, and navigate its environment to collect and deliver them. The robot's ability to understand and act upon such instructions showcases the integration of advanced AI and robotics, enabling more intuitive and flexible interactions between humans and machines. Digit's performance in this scenario highlights the potential for humanoid robots to assist in everyday tasks, particularly in settings like warehouses, retail, and even home environments. By leveraging natural language processing, robots like Digit can be directed without specialized programming, making them more accessible and adaptable to various roles. This advancement underscores the growing capabilities of AI-driven robotics and their potential to augment human activities, offering a glimpse into a future where robots seamlessly integrate into daily life. The University of California, Riverside has released an impressive new demo of its humanoid robot, Moby, highlighting remarkable advances in robotic locomotion. In the video, Moby confidently sidesteps up and down stairs and walks backward on a ramp, maneuvers that require a high level of balance, coordination, and real-world adaptability. These capabilities demonstrate how far humanoid robots have come in navigating complex environments with greater precision and control. This breakthrough is powered by UCR's sophisticated training pipeline built on NVIDIA's Isaac ecosystem, including Isaac GR00T, Isaac Lab, and Isaac Sim. The system allows researchers to train and fine-tune robotic models in simulation before deploying them in the physical world. By simulating real-world constraints and incorporating continuous feedback, Moby's training bridges the gap between virtual testing and actual performance with an impressive 95% success rate during deployment. What makes this approach especially effective is the ongoing integration of real-world data. With each deployment, the system becomes more refined, and the robot's behavior grows more robust and adaptive. UCR's method ensures that Moby isn't just performing pre-scripted tasks, but is learning how to respond dynamically to unpredictable real-world situations, making it a strong candidate for future commercial or industrial applications. Hugging Face, in collaboration with the Robot Studio, has unveiled Hopi Jr, a full-size, open-source humanoid robot designed to democratize robotics. Priced at approximately $3,000, Hopi Jr offers an affordable entry point for researchers, educators, and hobbyists interested in humanoid robotics. Hopi Jr features 3D-printed components and dexterous hands, enabling it to perform complex manipulation tasks. With 66 degrees of freedom, the robot can walk, grasp objects, and interact with its environment in a human-like manner. Its modular design allows for customization and easy assembly, making it accessible for those with varying levels of technical expertise. The robot's open-source nature means that all design files, software, and documentation are freely available, encouraging community-driven development and innovation. This approach aligns with Hugging Face's mission to make advanced AI and robotics technologies more accessible and transparent. Hopi Jr's affordability and versatility position it as a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, from academic research to educational programs and personal projects. By lowering the barriers to entry, Hugging Face and the Robot Studio aim to foster a more inclusive and collaborative robotics community. At a recent demonstration, the Japanese company Kawasaki unveiled one of its most practical robots named Robotic Nimbus, developed in collaboration with Tohoku University. This innovative robot is designed to support individuals with limited mobility, providing them with stability and safety while moving. It can adapt to various surfaces and environmental conditions, ensuring stability and preventing falls. The robot uses sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze both the user's movements and the surrounding environment. One of the key features of Robotic Nimbus is its ability to move autonomously and follow the user without the need for manual control. UK-based robotics startup Humanoid has unveiled its alpha prototype, HMND01, a general-purpose humanoid robot designed for industrial applications. Standing 175 centimeters tall and weighing 70 kilograms, HMND01 can walk at speeds up to 1.5 meters per second, operate continuously for 4 hours, and carry payloads of up to 15 kilograms. With 41 degrees of freedom, it is engineered for complex manipulation tasks, achieving human-level or higher speeds in object handling. The robot's modular design allows for customizable upper and lower body components, as well as interchangeable end effectors, enabling adaptation to various industrial needs. Additionally, HMND01 features protective garments that safeguard its systems and the surrounding environment, enhancing its suitability for diverse operational settings. It can assist with tasks like goods handling, picking and packing, and part handling. The company is currently in discussions with leading retail companies for potential pilot projects and plans to develop and test both wheeled and bipedal platforms of the robot in 2025. By integrating advanced AI and motion control technologies, Humanoid aims to create robots that seamlessly collaborate with humans, addressing workforce shortages and enhancing operational efficiency across industries. A new breakthrough in robotics has arrived with the introduction of MicroFactory, a compact robotic system designed to automate repetitive manual tasks, starting with electronics assembly. This innovative robot is aimed at streamlining the tedious and time-consuming aspects of manufacturing that traditionally rely on human labor. With precision and consistency, MicroFactory is built to handle intricate tasks such as placing components, soldering, and quality inspection. What makes MicroFactory stand out is its small footprint and adaptability. Unlike traditional factory automation systems that require significant floor space and infrastructure, MicroFactory is designed to be easily deployed in existing workspaces without major modifications. It's an ideal solution for small and mid-sized manufacturers looking to boost efficiency and reduce errors in high-precision tasks. The system is powered by advanced AI and machine vision, allowing it to understand and adapt to different product designs and layouts. As electronics continue to become more complex and miniaturized, MicroFactory offers a scalable and flexible solution that can keep up with rapid production demands. By taking over repetitive work, MicroFactory not only increases output and consistency, but also frees human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. It marks a significant step towards smarter, more agile production lines across various industries. South Korean engineers have unveiled an advanced robotic dog called Raibo, developed at the Raylab Robotics Laboratory of the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Raibo is a next-generation quadripedal robot designed for confident movement in complex, unstable, and unstructured environments. Unlike many other robots, Raibo can adapt to various surfaces thanks to its active balancing system and advanced motion control. It is equipped with an artificial intelligence system capable of processing sensory data in real time, enabling it to navigate without external assistance even in rapidly changing conditions. Raibo's design features lightweight, high maneuverability, and autonomous operation capabilities, making it well-suited for tasks such as inspection, search and rescue missions, and operations in hazardous areas inaccessible to humans. Before our eyes unfolds something that until recently seemed like science fiction. A robot dog with intelligence is learning to play badminton with a human, and doing it not just confidently, but with truly spectacular performance. A video published on the YouTube channel of ETH Zurich demonstrates what modern robotics is capable of when computational power, adaptive algorithms, and outstanding engineering come together. This is Animal D, the latest version of the legendary Swiss robotic platform. But this time, it does not just walk, climb, and balance like its predecessors. Animal D is now equipped with an arm, a precise and fast manipulator with which it holds a racket and plays badminton. At the core of Animal D is advanced mechatronics. It moves on 4 highly maneuverable legs that provide perfect stability and dynamic adaptation to any surface. In its arm are next-generation servo motors that enable sharp and accurate hits. But the real magic lies in its brain. Control is handled through a reinforcement learning system. The robot is not simply programmed to strike. It learned to play through simulation. ETH Zurich has once again proven that Europe is not falling behind the American or Asian directions in robotics. And in some areas, it may even be ahead, particularly in engineering precision, algorithmic flexibility, and architectural elegance. Unitree is teasing the arrival of its upcoming G2 humanoid robot, and early leaks, hints, and insider statements suggest it'll launch for under $10,000. A humanoid robot from one of the most aggressive robotics companies in the world for under $10,000. That's not just a curveball. That's a direct hit on the entire humanoid robot industry. Up until now, most advanced humanoid robots have lived in the realm of 6-figure price tags and corporate-only deployments. Figure AI, Apptronic, Agility Robotics. These are impressive companies doing impressive things, but none of them are offering something remotely close to consumer affordable. Even Boston Dynamics Atlas, as famous as it is, has never been anywhere near commercial pricing. But now, Unitree might be about to flip the whole market on its head. Let's be clear, Unitree's G1 was already a solid foundation. It was one of the first bipedal robots you could actually buy and get delivered to your door. But the G2? This is shaping up to be a different beast entirely. Faster, stronger, smarter, and most importantly, built with mass production in mind. If the sub-10K price tag holds, Unitree may be the first company to truly bring full-featured humanoids to the masses. This isn't just a cool gadget story. This is a massive signal about where robotics is going. Physical AI, the idea of robots using artificial intelligence to interact with and manipulate the real world, is starting to become practical. Not just in labs, not just in factories, but in homes, offices, warehouses, restaurants, everywhere. And affordable humanoids are the hardware backbone of that movement. Think about what that means. A robot that can walk on two legs, recognize objects, navigate your space, and even interact with you, for less than the cost of some high-end smartphones. That's not theoretical. That's what Unitree is teasing right now, and based on their track record, when they tease something, it's usually because it's just around the corner. Recently, the Chinese military equipped quadruped robots developed by Deep Robotics with various firearms. These robots have been fitted with automatic rifles and other tactical gear mounted on their backs, effectively transforming them into fully functional mobile combat platforms capable of engaging targets. These mechanized robot dogs demonstrate high stability and can move across rough terrain, jump, lie down, stand up, and even retreat backwards. Remotely controlled, they are capable of operating both individually and in coordinated groups, carrying out missions such as reconnaissance, fire support, and building clearance. Essentially, these are robotic fighters that could soon be actively deployed in the Chinese Army's arsenal for urban combat scenarios and frontline operations. Deep Robotics has been advancing its technologies in civilian and industrial sectors for several years. But now these innovations are finding applications in the military domain as well. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, is going to Mars. Yeah, you heard that right. The 2026 mission to the Red Planet will include multiple Optimus units on board, with the goal of preparing Mars for human colonization. This isn't some far-fetched science fiction dream anymore. It's happening, it's real, and it's coming faster than most people expected. Here's the quote that's got everyone talking.
So the first flights there we'll send with the Optimus robot, so we can go out there and explore and kind of prepare the way for humans. And that'll be a very cool image if we're able to achieve it by launching end of next year. It would actually technically arrive in 2027, but that would be an epic picture to see Optimus walking around on the surface of Mars.
Musk said, "The first flights there we will send with the Optimus robot so it can go out there to explore and kind of prepare the way for humans. By launching end of next year, we'll actually technically arrive in 2027. That's the timeline. Launch in late 2026. Arrival in 2027. Optimus becomes the first humanoid explorer on Mars." Chinese company Aniwit Robotics has unveiled one of the most emotionally realistic humanoid robots in the modern industry. What makes this development remarkable is not just its technical specifications, although those are certainly impressive, but how subtly and almost humanly it interacts with the world around it. This is not just a machine. It is a system created not merely to perform tasks, but to perceive, understand, and respond. Its behavior, facial expressions, and gaze are not programmed in a linear fashion, but trained on real human reactions through advanced neural network models and adaptive learning algorithms. The robot can recognize human facial expressions, vocal intonations, micro-movements, and even respond to emotional context. Physically, the model is built around an ultra-precise actuator system that allows it to reproduce the tiniest facial and neck movements. This is not just about turning its head or smiling. This is genuine facial expression, with synchronized movements of eyebrows, cheeks, eye muscles, and lips. Visually, the robot creates a sense of presence, as if you are facing a real conversation partner rather than a device. What leaves a particularly strong impression is its gaze. The camera sensors in its eyes are synchronized with a dynamic pupil tracking system, creating a sensation of mutual awareness, as if it is truly looking at you, not just detecting an object. Boston Dynamics has just unveiled one of the most significant updates yet to their humanoid robot, Atlas. This time, it's not about how fast Atlas can run, how high it can jump, or how impressively it can do parkour. This time, it's all about how Atlas sees the world, and more importantly, how it understands it. Because for a humanoid robot to actually work in real-world settings like factories, warehouses, or homes, physical ability alone won't cut it. Atlas needs to perceive, to interpret, and to adapt. This update brings a massive leap in perception and adaptability. It's an entirely new way of thinking about robotic intelligence, Boston Dynamics is no longer just focused on the robot's limbs and movements. They're building a robot brain that can handle complexity, unpredictability, and real-world messiness. Atlas now has an upgraded perception system that allows it to do what humans do intuitively. Understand not just what objects are, but what they mean in a given context. In the latest demonstration, Atlas performs what looks like a fairly routine task. It picks up an engine cover and installs it onto a mock car engine. But under the hood, this task requires a lot more than just moving an object from point A to point B. The robot first has to identify the correct object among several possibilities. It needs to figure out how to approach it, grasp it securely, navigate to the installation point, avoid any obstacles along the way, and then place it precisely where it belongs. And it needs to do all of this without any pre-programmed instructions for that specific scenario. That's where the new perception system comes in. Atlas now has a richer understanding of its surroundings, powered by a combination of visual sensors, depth cameras, and machine learning algorithms. It doesn't just see pixels and shapes. It understands 3D geometry, spatial relationships, and even the functionality of objects in the scene. This enables the robot to make smart decisions in real time. It recognizes the environment not as a flat surface or a set of coordinates, but as a dynamic, layered, and actionable space. That wraps up this week's AI Robot Update. And honestly, every week feels more like science fiction turning into reality. With robots evolving faster than ever, the line between human and machine is starting to blur. We'll be tracking every mind-blowing moment, so make sure you're following along. Trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.